Hi, I'm Dr. Mickey Barber with Better Life Carolinas, and I want to talk to you a little bit about what makes our program at Better Life Carolinas different than other medical programs, other age management programs in general. The first thing is we think education is hugely important. I mean, education is power. So our team is always spending time and energy on being better educated about what's out there to help not only themselves, but to help you. And by that, I mean reading articles, going to meetings, watching podcasts. Always, I'm part of that's me. I always need to understand what's going on out there. But a lot of it is the team that I've been lucky enough to surround myself with. And then we take that information and we push it onto you. So we feel like you are not going to be the kind of patient that we're going to get the results that we want to see if you don't understand why we're making the recommendations that we're making. And medicine is changing so much. I mean, the amount of information that's out there is just going crazy. All the different fields and specialties. It's so exciting. But it's really not your job to do the work to figure out, what makes sense. It's really our job. So that's the first thing. We think that's really important. The second thing is we want to be there to support you in your quest for healthy aging and a disease preventative program. So by that I mean, number one, we're going to spend time with you at the onset so we get to know you. So that forms that bond, okay? And if you succeed, we succeed. And the best way we think to do that is again through the education and then supporting you. So you're going to leave our office with a list of goals. You're going to leave our office with a plan, and we're going to be there to support you on that plan. So if you have a question, you get home and you're at the grocery store and you're thinking, is that food one of those things that maybe I shouldn't be eating? Or is this one that I should be eating? You can call us, you can email us, you can use one of our online programs to get the answer to that question. So you don't have to worry about it, you don't have to look it up, you have our support. And then there's that accountability thing. I don't know about you, but I'm better if I know I have to show up somewhere, or if I've paid for my trainer and I'm booked for the time, or if I know that I'm going to have to step on the scale, or whatever it is. If you have accountability, all of us are going to do better. And so that's a big part of our program. I don't mean we're going to shake our finger at you, although sometimes I have done that, but we have data points. So at the beginning, we're going to measure certain things, whether that be lab values, whether that be your body composition, whether it be measuring your stress level, whatever that is, we start at a point, and then we're going to measure those data points over time. I think that's one of the most valuable things that we do, and people, that resonates, right? Because if you came in and your body fat was, let's say, 38% body fat, and our goal is to get you to 25%. Well, we're going to measure that. We're going to set you up on a program to help you get there. We're going to educate you about why it's so important to get there. We're going to support you as you're going through the steps to get there. And then we're going to measure those data points. And when you put all that together, that's an accountability program, because one, you know that you're going to have your labs drawn every quarter, every 6 months. You'd be surprised how much that changes people's behavior. And two, we're going to be checking in with you. And that helps a lot, because if we're checking in, people are going to behave better. I mean, that's just human nature. And so we think that accountability thing is hugely important. And all of us love to see the changes over time. I mean, I've had some patients who have been with me 15 years, and we can follow their improvement in body composition, their improvement in their lab work, their improvement in their strength, their cardiac performance. That's pretty exciting. And we couldn't do that if one, they didn't know that we were up on the latest thing. Two, if we weren't there to support them. And three, if we didn't have those ways of measuring their progress over time and supporting them. So we think that that's something very valuable we have to offer. We think it's different. We think it's unique. And we think we can take your health to the next level. So we're at betterlifecarolinas.com. Our phone number is 843-737-2597. Please call us. Please come in and see us. Please change your life.